Welcome back to Wave of Wealth, guys. I'm Nick, and today I'm going to teach you how to make money with Appen. That's right, guys, for complete beginners. So literally, you don't need any investment. So $0 investment, guys. Also, you can do it from anywhere from the world, guys. It's really completely remote and everything. So yeah, for beginners, how to make money with Appen, guys. Listen to me carefully, follow every single possible step that I'm going to show you right now, because this method is proven. It's proven, guys. I've done it, and you maybe know someone who's done it before, but as I said, it's for complete beginners. So if you have some experience, again, as I said, stay and listen to me carefully, because I'm going to explain to you how to use Appen, guys, and how to make money in 2024. Completely new, proven method, no investment, from anywhere from the world, guys. Let's start. So what you need to know first when you go to crowd.appen.com, right here, link will be down below in the description section. So yeah, you can check it out right now. Earn and learn remotely with the world's largest AI community. Get started, member login, guys. We're going to talk about everything. Join our global crowd right here. You can see plenty of people, 1 million plus remote members, 265 languages, 170 countries, $157 million earned in 2022 right here. Different types of tasks, from the desk work to field work. We have everything right here. Evaluate short form videos. You can check it out, guys. For example, fast check the claims right here. You can see complete multiple tasks, guys. Identify vehicles that are in shades of blue and stuff like that. So you have some more serious tasks, but mostly tasks are that type that anyone can do it, basically with no experience, with no some special field of knowledge or something like that. But we're gonna get into that again, as I said. Get started, guys. As I said, we're gonna talk about it. Why join Appen right here? Flexible hours, work from anywhere, competitive pay, user-friendly guides, work in AI, a quick gig, long-term project, guys. They have everything basically that you want to find out, that you want to learn, that you want to do, that you want to work for someone, that you want to work on some specific projects. Everything is here on Appen. Start earning now, and everything is here. You can check it out and scroll, guys. Here it is, for example, your FAQ section for everything's Appen legit. Can I get started on the tasks today, and so on. So I will leave that part for you, because of course you know how to find and use FAQ section, right? So let's check it out. Get started. When you press on it, you will be redirected straight away right here. Of course, guys, you can see get started with Appen. Apply to a project directly. Check our openings and apply directly. Follow the email instructions to complete your profile. Pass the qualification. You'll be given study guides, work in your own schedule, and earn money remotely. That's why we're here, guys, to earn money remotely. Check our openings. So when you press on it, you can check it out, guys. For example, AI trainers, domain experts right here, data collection. You can see, for example, at home, security camera video collection, US, document verification task in Brazil, document verification task in India. But if you want to apply for some of those gigs, for some of those projects, guys, what do you need to do first? Go back right here, top right corner, just be relaxed. It's super easy. Registration, of course. Log in, press in top right corner, then you need to go to register, guys, right here, and then you can check it out. Couple of super easy steps prepared for you. Basically, you need your mail, password, first name, last name, agree. You are good to go. See you in a second. So once you basically got your mail, name, and password, you of course need to verify your mail, guys, in your box, of course, in your Gmail or whatever mail you use. Once you've done with all that, what you need to do next is select your language here, guys. Let's check it out. Your language right here. Right here, we need to find our country. Just a second. I'm sorry if it's here. Here it is, guys. And then social media account, you can check it out. This is an optional, but you don't need that. Also, business name, register with my business name is optional. So what you need to do is to press on continue. Select country you live, state, province, full address, city, zip, postal code, mobile phone number, recruitment, community news, and everything, guys. You can check it out. So see you in a second. And finally, we are here. Yes, you can check it out, guys. Welcome to Appen right here. Let's see what we have, what we prepared for you. So I just want to point out straight away, we're going to talk about projects, quick tasks, and data collection, and how you need to, what you need actually to know in order to apply for some project. So let's get started. Right here you can see projects are here, guys. You can see this is your account. This is how your account is supposed to look like. Available, applied, projects, my projects. You can see quick tasks and of course data collection for your phone. Available ones right here, you can see projects down here, project list. You can press on that as well, guys. Applications, you can press on applications as well, guys, and be redirected straight away right here. Your current processes. This page contains, of course, confidential information, blah blah blah, and so on and so on. You can check it out, guys, for application, but I will leave that part for you. So let's get straight to the point. First, I think we're going to talk about projects, not quick tasks. So when you press on view all, you can see work for a group of tasks for a longer time period with higher pay. Unfortunately, there are no projects available at the moment. Please check again in few days. Okay, that's perfect. Quick tasks right here, you can see again right here, guys, but for you, I hope you will be more lucky. Data collection is here as well. You can press on that. Earn fast by completing easy tasks on your phone with their mobile app. Of course, I didn't mention, guys, earn fast with tasks that you can perform on the fly. So those are really quick tasks, guys, 10-15 minutes long, and you do not need to apply for them, because in application right now there is no available project that can actually show you how to apply, guys. You need your name, mail, you need your address and the country and everything. You need your education, of course, previous experience, or some skills, and that's basically it. But please feel relaxed, because those people that post the job needs you more than you need them, because those are tasks that are paid from 2 cents to 50 cents an hour to maybe $2 a project, something like that. But you can do them plenty of those tasks and projects in a day, guys. You can earn a significant amount of money, but just feel relaxed, because they posted the job, they need you. So as I said, you need to apply. Right here is your profile. My languages, Appen China platform right here. You can press on profile and see languages, more about me, personal info, settings, and so on. So think about it. Academy is here as well, guys. You can check that out. But as I said, focus on projects, guys. Project list is here. Your projects applied, available. As I said, as soon as there is some available project, maybe I will do a follow-up video and I will show you how to apply for it. So as I said, all you need is registration on Appen, guys, and that's basically it. You're good to go. You can do plenty of tasks and projects a day, multiple. You can even hire people and earn a difference. You just need a good negotiation skills and good outsourcing mind, if I like to express my dad in that way. So you can select, guys, some people to do that job, and that guy to do that job, and that girl to do this job. You pay them less than you will receive from the people that posted the job. So that's basically, you can do outsourcing with Appen as well, guys. So think about it, and as I said, check it out definitely for yourself. Thank you for watching this video. Until the next time, goodbye.